Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, back with another video. The reason why I'm baking right now is because I'm gonna try to follow Jackie Aina's tutorial, and I was just gonna like fast forward the stuff like her beating her face, like foundation and stuff, because I don't have the same stuff as she does. I don't have the same foundation and stuff, so I was just like, let me just skip that part. What we do have in common is that we both have this palette right here. So I'm just gonna try to follow her eye makeup and see if I can try to recreate it as best as I could. I think it would just be fun, and let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna try to like put the video here or something.
What's the tea with the Jacqueline Hill palette? I want to know the tea myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jackie Aina. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I may be a teeny...
She didn't do the Jackie. She didn't do that, but it's okay. I still love her.
And she created another version.
Alright, so let's just skip until when she starts doing it.
Self-titled the package, so unfortunately I can't name them as I go. So anyway, we're gonna take...
Wait.
And my NYX blending brush, one of my favorite blending brushes for the crease. And
wait, what did she do? Oh yeah, because she's saying that she's not naming the stuff, so I'm just gonna have to look and try to follow it.
Okay. Ready for this jelly. I prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer, and then
yeah, I already primed my eyelids.
Because name them as I go. So anyway, we're gonna take this color here, and
what color is that? This one that she took. And then what is she doing with it?
Get some color payoff from patting and blending at the same time, and that was a really pigmented color, which is really hard to come by, especially something that runs dark enough on me. Sometimes these burnt orange colors just be like...
Alright, so she's doing that to both eyes. Patting like that. Okay, I'm feeling it. Okay, so now she's using this color, which is like a dark greenish color.
One thing I noticed is when you're placing my dots first, now the question is, what brush do I want to blend her with? This is the Sigma E45.
She's going too fast. Let me pause her. Let me get my mirror. Okay, we got the dots popping.
Right now, I don't think it's getting the job done, so let me switch. I'm gonna take the E38 now and blend her out. I've heard some people having some problems with this emerald green jade looking color. It seems to be blending out fine to me. No BS. I will keep saying that all throughout this review because people just don't. I don't know. It's just weird to me. Like, let people have their own voices, and I've had my own voice for 7 years, and I don't know, it's kind of a pet peeve of mine when I give a review and people were like,
I don't know,
really saying the truth, and I'm just like, don't you think I know how to, like, I'm grown, boo-boo. Actually, I turned 30 in August. Like, I'm capable of speaking for myself. Thank you. I don't need you to like read between the lines or, you know. Yeah, so far this is blending out really nicely. This eye's more blended out though, so let me just get this one even. Now let's go to a shimmer color.
Wait.
Here's where the
I'm not done blending. I don't know what I did. Well, mine do not look like hers. Or does it? I don't know. I feel like I put too much right here. I'm just gonna like blend it up.
right next to the emerald jade. I'm gonna take
okay,
that.
so I'm guessing she's taking this color.
I'm gonna apply it dry. I'm gonna give it a fair shot on its own, and then if it's not doing what I want it to do, I'm gonna wet the brush a little bit. And wetting the brush is just pretty much something I have to do with almost all shadow palettes I have. They just don't shimmer enough for my skin tone. Oh yeah, that's actually not bad. actually kind of popping.
Okay. So I don't think she wets it.
Girl. Oh. We going out. I don't really feel like I need to wet the brush. I like this as is, so I'm just gonna keep it. So far, not really running into any major issues with the blendability, the quality, the color payoff. This is bomb, and these mattes are definitely better than the regular Morphe shadows. I'm going back in with that first burnt orange color and just kind of, you know, re-blending that in. Sometimes she gets a little lost in the sauce. Using Zulu cream gel liner
Lost in the sauce.
to
Wait. This is definitely something I would never do. Like this type of eye look, I would never do, but it is so pretty.
You totally can skip this step or stick to black if you want, but I just like doing fun stuff with pastels, especially when I have fun, bright colors and hair colors. And we're gonna.
I don't have.
It out, girl.
Okay, well, I don't have that blue. I do have purple. I don't know if this is gonna mess the look up or not. Well, I think purple will be fun, but I don't know. Like, should I even mess it up and do this? Purple on it, like, it's so pretty. You don't even need a wing. Alright, so I didn't want to mess the look up, so I just did it really, really, really small wing. Because I was not about to mess this up. Like, the blue looks really good on her, but for me, it's a no.
I like this gel liners because this is slightly more of a fiery burnt orange.
Okay.
Got a little bit more red.
Okay.
And put that on. Whoa.
So she took this and is putting on her bottom lash. So. Okay, she's going a little too fast and she needs to relax. Okay, so first of all, she said, I put on mascara from Benefit Roller Lashes because I would put on lashes, but I kind of don't have a pair that will be good for this look. They're really like thick and it would just not make sense to do that, so I'm not gonna do that. So let's just continue on. Yeah, we'll do a little bit of this color. She put setting spray and I'm not doing that because I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I would never do a look like this and it was just like really fun. She has 2.1 million subscribers. 2.1 million subscribers. She's bomb as fuck and she's just a dope person. So I was just like, let me try to recreate it and it came out really good. Like and subscribe, comment if I should do like anybody else, and I'll be back with another video soon, I promise. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. All the girls wanna be like this. All the girls wanna be like this. All right.